How are you doing? I hope you're fine wherever you are. We are good here. We are fine. We thank God. So I'm here with the man of the house, and he's having his, is it lunch or what? So how are you doing? Please remember to like this video. Kindly like the video, and also you subscribe. Okay, today is another day. We thank God, and we are grateful for this day. Every day is good to thank God. So let me show you what he's eating, what he's having, yeah? And then he greet you. It's long since he appeared here. So here he is. Hi my dear. Kwaje? Kopoa. What are you having? You are enjoying?
Some goodies.
Oh my goodness. Look at this man. Look at this steak, guys. Oh my goodness. How is it?
So delicious.
So delicious. Cooked by one and only.
My wife.
One and only.
Chief.
Do you know I know how to cook this KFC chicken?
She did it and she did it.
Drumsticks, huh?
She did it and she did
I
it.
did it very well. Can you see? Yeah, I prepared yesterday and it was very delicious. So this is mine. This is mine. So let me enjoy. Let us enjoy by this. And what drink do you have? We have Coca-Cola. We also have water and Blackbird. Yeah. Hey my dear, you are really enjoying. You are really enjoying. So sweet. Amani, so yummy.
Both of them.
Both of them. Okay. So have lunch with us. It's almost noon. Have lunch with us. So delicious, so yummy. So yummy. So let me start. Did you miss me when I was away?
Yeah. That is obvious.
That is obvious.
And you saw it when you came
Well, you know.
You must always be close to your husband. And those guys who marry wives and take them to their mothers. Do you marry for your parents or you marry for yourself? Think your wife, you should stay with your wife wherever you are. Whenever you migrate from this place to the other, go with her.
Do you escape for some few days and then you come back? Upendo iwe inaongezeka.
Escape as in
Like
not in good terms or
no. Just you go for a break, maybe in the village, or you visit your friend. When you come back, upendo iwe inaongezeka. Ukweli.
No, it's just
I feel it.
the love that you have on them should remain the same.
Should remain the same. It should be more. Pia hiyo nyama. So sweet. So guys, we are done with our lunch. We have ate early lunch because it's not lunchtime yet. And what are you having right now? Coca-Cola.
A glass of Coke. Red Coke.
A glass of red Coke.
Coke inakuanga black.
Inakuanga red, si ndio? Red Coke.
Red.
He's having a glass of red Coke. Can you see? Yes. As for me, I don't feel like having red Coke right now.
No, but you can take a sip of it.
Well, so yummy. Well, so yummy. So how are you guys doing? I hope you are fine, huh? We wanted to just greet you because the videos you have been seeing are from the village. So I'm back here. I'm back for good. Yeah, so expect more videos from this side. And remember to remember to subscribe. Okay, so I did my hair when I was here. My sister did this hair to me and I think it looks nice. It looks nice, huh? I look so cute.
Street smart.
Yes, very smart with this hair.
7 things about you.
Yeah, what are those?
Street smart, you look good.
I look good, I look beautiful.
Yeah, street smart.
Yes.
Yani, let's just say in conjunction, in general. And in general. So,
yes.
7 things about you.
Oh my God, you're gonna make me blush, but blush, yeah. But I'm not going to blush. Yes. Yeah. So I did this hair on what was it? On Monday. I came from the village on Sunday, and then on Monday she did this hair. My hair wasn't that good, but now I look so nice. Yes. So expect more videos from this side, and very soon we are going to be starting transforming this porch of ours.
Yeah, I think everything is ready. As I told you, I do gather things slowly by slowly.
He gathers things, the materials, slowly by slowly, and now he's ready to transform this thing, this porch. As you know, transforming a house is not a walk in the park. You need money. You need cash.
You need cash.
You need cash to buy the materials. And it's good to buy the materials fast. And then when you start transforming it, you just transform faster. Because above everything, it's there. And I think now we are ready to transform it. So expect more videos very soon when this man will be on leave.
Yeah, when I be on leave, because everything has been loaded. Now we want to unload it.
You want to unload it? Yeah. Okay.
We're going to unload it on this coach.
Yeah. We're going to transform it and it will look amazing. What we are planning, it will be amazing. You'll love it. Yeah.
And what theme of color are you supposing for them?
We have colors, paints. We have paints here. We have white. We have light purple. We have yellow. We have green. We have luminous green. We have what else? Green. We also have black.
We have jungle green.
Yeah. We have different paints here, so we decide what will match with this thing, with this porch. So we are going to show you when we finish first. We want to finish first and then paint later, but you'll see. But the ceiling is white. The other corners, I think we'll look for a beautiful color that is bright enough for this thing.
What about for the walls? Do we use the chipboard or the pallets?
The pallets are better. We'll put pallets in the ceilings and in the ceiling na pia kwa walls.
Okay, we can do this.
We want this porch to be different from the house.
For it to have a good look, I think you can do half. Okay, half this way. You can put the pallets, and then half, like a top part, you can use the plywood. Yeah, something different from this one, so that they can match the pallets down.
What about the full of this? Kutoka huko mpaka chini kwa hii side ya mabao.
Okay, on the side of the we can do full pallets.
Full pallets.
This side and this
but this side will mix.
Going to mix it.
Hey, I'm waiting for that today. And this corner here it will be all glass. But hapa hatuweki glass kwa sababu ya jua.
Yeah, we're going to put half of it.
Half of this side. When you see this corner, it's very long, It's very long, so we are going to put half of it glass.
I thought that tree could block the sun, but here to Kambani, the sun is a bit low. The higher, the lower you go, the hotter it becomes.
Okay, let me greet you with Kamba. Do you know Kamba?
Yeah, I know Kamba.
I know most of people don't know which language you speak. But you speak so many languages.
Yeah, I speak a lot of languages. Two of them. Yeah.
Let me just greet him. Mama Kada.
Mama Kanesa.
What in other?
What in Danesa?
When they are.
Then they kaba.
Eh?
Then they kaba. Because nothing is good when it comes to this regime. So everyone is kaba.
Kaba. Amanesa.
Yani kaba, it's like at least.
At least, huh?
Yeah, I'm
at least.
We are managing.
So now I think we will end this video here because we wanted to greet you and have a talk with you before I resume my work here and say hi.
I think I've said
Your
hi.
parting shot.
Parting shot. Whenever you fail in life, don't give up. Because as for we had a downfall. We had a very, very, very terrible downfall. But
a very bad one.
A bad one. Okay.
So now he's going. He's going now. I'll be left here alone as usual. So tumezindikisha afike kwa gates and then I come back so that I can start my day here. I can start my day. Whew. All right. Bye.
Bye guys.
See you. Have a nice day.
Nice. The day being nice, it depends on you.
It depends on you.
Yeah, but have a good day.
So wacha tuzindikisha yeye. Mani kwa sapa.
Kwa hivyo ukirudi
ile ng'ombe ni ng'ombe.
Umeshaenda dieta na ukarudi?
Oh my God. His heart. Is it he ama she?
Umepatiwa sick leave ya how long? Utanijulisha.
Bye. So guys, now I'm left alone here in this compound. Today is so sunny. So sunny. I think now I'll rest here for like an hour so that I can rest and I'll plan what to do later on. Okay? Just I wish you a lovely day, a blessed day. May God bless you. Have a fantastic day as I start mine. See you on the other one. Please like and subscribe. Alright, so bye. Bye guys. Bye. If you need bikes, we still have some few bikes there. We do sell bike. We do sell bike for those who don't know. So if you need a bike, call us and we will be ready to serve you with beautiful ex-UK bikes. So ciao, bye.